Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video we're going to be replacing the window switch for a 2006 Honda Civic. This is for the 2006 to 2011. We will be doing it on the driver's side, but the whole process is pretty much exactly the same for all four doors, or if you have a two-door, for both of the front doors. If you guys do want to pick up this part, there will be a link in the description down below, as well as some of the tools you're going to need for this. Alright, so to get started, you're going to need a plastic pry tool or something else that you could use. I mean, maybe a flathead screwdriver, but you can cause damage to the door itself, so I would suggest plastic pry tool. But on this side, it's actually like a little hook that kind of goes under the bottom piece. So we're going to be popping it up from this side. So we're going to work that in this little back corner, and it's kind of sometimes hard to get in there. You can actually pop it up from this side. There we go. And then once we have it up, we can actually slide it out that way, and it'll unhook that front edge, and then we can pick it up, flip it over, and go ahead and unplug it. So there's going to be a little push tab. There we go. Sometimes you can have to flip it around the other way. Push a little button on the bottom, and then you just wiggle that out. There we go. And same thing with this one. Alrighty. So now once we have this whole thing out, there's going to be two separate units. As you can see, this right here is the switches and the lock and window button. And there's 4 screws all around, so we're going to go ahead and unscrew those. Alright, so once we have those 4 screws out, we can go ahead and pull this out. And sometimes it can snag on the front edge of the buttons, but you just have to slide it kind of back a little bit, and then you can unhook it from right there. And we're going to go ahead and grab the new one. If you guys did want to pick this up, there's going to be a link in the description down below, so you guys can hop onto Amazon and grab one of these if you need it. There we go. It lines up perfectly. And now we just have to put in the 4 screws back in the corners. All right, we got those 4 screws put back in the corners. And now we can bring this back into place, plug it in. Actually, I do the small one first. There we go. And now we can plug in the large one. There we go. All right, so you want to make sure you have this leading edge going in first, and you want to make sure you do have it up against the back section, because there are a couple of little tabs that stick down that actually need to hook into these little slots right there. So we'll push it against that back section and get that front end pushed down into place. There we go. And the rest of this will just pop right down and snap into place. And just like that, it's installed. Alright, so if this video did help you guys out, go down, hit the like button. If you guys have any other questions or comments, definitely put those in the comment section. I do read through those and reply to everybody. But like I said, there will be links in the description down below, so if you guys want to pick up the actual switch itself, or like the plastic pry tools, all that is going to be down in the description down below. But if you guys did like the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.